Good morning, students. Today we have to learn about the reactions of metals with the dilute acids. In previous class, we have learned about the reaction of metal with water, okay, and with oxygen, that is with air. पिछले क्लास में हमने पढ़ा था रिएक्शन ऑफ मेटल विथ एयर के साथ में और वाटर के साथ. नाउ इन दिस क्लास वी हैव टू learn about the reaction of metal with dilute acid. Okay, now when the metals are react with the dilute acids, the metal usually displaces the hydrogen from dilute acids. So first of all dilute acid means that is HCl. Okay, so here is a hydrogen and which is exactly displaced in the reaction. Okay, in this reaction means which reaction? That is the reactions of metal with the dilute acid. Now here the metal reacts with dilute acids to form the salts and hydrogen. When any metal react with the dilute acids, the products are salt and water. Products क्या होते हैं हमें? Salt and hydrogen gas, not water. Products are salt and hydrogen gas. Now see the reaction. The magnesium is react with the dilute HCl. We will get the product that is a magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas. Second, when aluminum metal is react with the hydrochloric acid, the products are aluminum chlorides and hydrogen gas. Okay, now the zinc metal is react with the dilute HCl. We will get the products zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. Okay, now the iron is react with the also hydrochloric acid. We will get the iron chloride, that is a ferric chloride and the hydrogen gas. Okay, now see, all the metals however do not react with the dilute acid. सभी metals acid के साथ react नहीं होते. Okay, the reactivity varies from metal to metal. Reactivity varies from metal to metal. Okay, the vigorous reaction of metal with dilute acid, जो reaction होती है metal की dilute acid के साथ, which is depend on its chemical reactivity. उनके reactivity पर depend होती है वो reactions. Okay, some metals are explosively react with the dilute acids, and some metals are react with dilute acid with rapidly. Okay, and some metals are showing only heat. Now for this reaction, the metals decreasing order of reactivity. See, डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर बोला है, दैट मीन्स सबसे कम रिएक्टिविटी है मैग्नीशियम की, देन एल्यूमिनियम, देन जिंक एंड देन लास्ट इज द आयरन. नाउ सी, द कॉपर सिल्वर एंड गोल्ड do not react with the dilute acid because the all metals are not react with dilute acid. See, there's the three metals are don't react with the dilute acids. Now the hydrogen gas is not evolved when the metal react with the nitric acid. See, जब metal nitric acid के साथ react होता है, then see, first of all I will tell you something before this. All the metals which are more reactive than the hydrogen atom, जो metals है बहुत reactive है ज़्यादा than the hydrogen, that those metal which lose the electrons more easily, okay, than the hydrogen. जो metals easily अपने electrons lose करते हैं than the hydrogen atom and displaces the hydrogen from the dilute acids. डाइल्यूट एसिड से जो हाइड्रोजन है वो डिस्प्लेस कर देते हैं एंड टू प्रोड्यूस द हाइड्रोजन गैस. ओके, दिस इज व्हाई दिस इज हैपनिंग. दिस इज ड्यू टू द फैक्ट दैट द मोर रिएक्टिव मेटल गिव द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इजीली. जो मोर रिएक्टिव मेटल्स होते हैं गिव द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इजीली. ओके, एंड these electron reduce the hydrogen ions of the acid, and these electrons are reducing the hydrogen ions of these acids and to form the hydrogen gas. After losing the electron, they form the hydrogen gas. Now, when the metals are react with the dilute sulfuric acid, metals are react with dilute sulfuric acid, डाइल्यूट सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड के साथ जब मेटल का रिएक्शन होता है, देन द प्रोडक्ट्स क्या होता है? द प्रोडक्ट्स आर द मेटल सल्फेट्स एंड हाइड्रोजन गैस. द प्रोडक्ट्स आर मेटल सल्फेट्स एंड हाइड्रोजन गैस. But when the metals are react with the nitric acid, see this is a nitric acid HNO3. When the metals are react with the nitric acid, the products are nitrate and hydrogen gas. The products क्या होता है? Nitrate and hydrogen gas. Now see the example. This is when the copper is react with the nitric acid, then the nitric acid, it is oxidize with oxidizing the hydrogen, oxidize this hydrogen, and the product is the water, that is H2O. Okay, and itself it reduces to nitrogen. Okay, itself it reduces to nitrogen. See the reaction. When the nitric acid is react with the copper metal, see the actual reaction is that when the nitric acid is react with any metal, the hydrogen gas is not evolved. जब कोई भी मेटल नाइट्रिक एसिड के साथ रिएक्शन होती है तो हाइड्रोजन गैस का इवॉल्व नहीं होता है. ओके, बिकॉज वाई दिस इज हैपनिंग? बिकॉज it is a strong oxidizing agent. It is a strong oxidizing agent and it oxidizes the H2. H2 को oxidize करके क्या होता है? Product is a H2O. Okay, that is the water, and itself it reduces the it reduced and to oxidize the nitrogen, that is the NO2. Okay, now see this is a reactivity of the different metal. This is a reactivity of different metals. So here the reactivity of metals. Here are the list of metals is given. Okay, we have to find it out their reactivity. Accordingly, they are given. So potassium is a more reactive. Here is a up to this is a more reactive. This is from this reactivity is decreases here. So सबसे ज़्यादा reactive metal, which metal is a reactive more? Potassium. उसके बाद में sodium, then calcium, then magnesium, then aluminum. Okay, now from zinc onwards here the reactivity is decreases. सबसे कम जो reactive metals है वो silver and gold है. Okay, zinc के बाद में iron, lead, hydrogen, copper, mercury, silver and gold. Silver and gold are less reactive metals. They are a less reactive metal. Now see, also we have to learn the aqua regia. What means the aqua regia? क्या होता है? The aqua regia is a highly corrosive. It is a highly corrosive as well as a fuming liquid. Okay, it is highly corrosive and it is a fuming liquid and is one of the few reagents that is able to dissolve the gold and platinum. Aqua regia, it is dissolve the all metals. It has a capacity to dissolving the all metals and also it has capacity to dissolve the gold and platinum. Gold and platinum को भी वो dissolve कर सकता है. Aqua regia में इतनी capacity है कि वो gold and platinum को भी dissolve कर सकता है. Now how the aqua regia is prepared? It is a freshly prepared mixture of the concentrated hydrochloric acid and concentrated nitric acid. HCl और HNO3 से वो बनता है. ओके, ओनली द डिफरेंस दे आर विद द डिफरेंट रेशो. 1 part ऑफ द HCl रहेगा एंड 3 part ऑफ क्या रहेगा? C. 3:1 ratio. 3:1 ratio means what? 3 parts उसमें रहेगा तुम्हारा HCl. There is a 3 parts of HCl and 1 part रहेगा HNO3 का. 3:2 ratio means 3 part में रहेगा HCl and 1 part में रहेगा HNO3. Okay, now here next topic, the reaction of metal with the मेटल सॉल्ट सॉल्यूशंस, रिएक्शन पढ़नी है हमें मेटल्स की सॉल्ट सॉल्यूशन की विद द सॉल्ट सॉल्यूशन. नाउ हियर द मोर रिएक्टिव मेटल्स डिस्प्लेसेस द लेस रिएक्टिव मेटल. इसमें क्या होता है, द मोर रिएक्टिव मेटल जो होते हैं वो डिस्प्लेसेस करते हैं लेस रिएक्टिव मेटल्स को. नाउ द प्रोडक्ट्स आर सॉल्ट, products are the salt. See here the more reactive metal which we already learn in this chapter first. chapter first में हमने पढ़ चुका है ये, that is a displacement reaction. Displacement reaction, this is one of the displacement reaction where the more reactive metals displaces the less reactive metal. Okay, now this is the same as to the displacement reaction. We just read it the examples. Magnesium displaces the copper from copper sulfate and we will get the product that is a magnesium sulfate. एग्जाम्पल आर मैग्नीशियम को हमें कॉपर सल्फेट के साथ रिएक्ट करना है, देन वी विल गेट द प्रोडक्ट दैट इज अ मैग्नीशियम सल्फेट. वाई वी विल गेट द प्रोडक्ट मैग्नीशियम सल्फेट? बिकॉज मैग्नीशियम इज अ मोर रिएक्टिव देन द कॉपर. ओके, एंड हियर इन सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल जिंक इज अ मोर रिएक्टिव देन कॉपर, so that's why in product we should we will get the answer that is a ZnSO4. Now move to third example. Fe, that is iron, is react with the copper sulfate. Here also the product is a iron sulfate because the iron is a more reactive than the copper, so that's why it displaces the copper and the product will be the iron sulfate. Okay, now here is the activity जो हमने फर्स्ट चैप्टर में पढ़ी थी. Here is a solution of the copper sulfate which is the blue in color. After adding the iron nails the color of solution is turns into green color हो जाता है. Why this color of this solution is converted from blue to green? Because this iron is displaces the copper sulfate solution and then makes a iron sulfate solution, and the color of this nail, iron nail, it be brown. कलर क्या हो जाता है आयरन का? ब्राउन. वाई? बिकॉज दिस रिएक्ट विद दिस कॉपर सल्फेट. कॉपर सल्फेट के साथ रिएक्शन होता है एंड दिस कॉपर इज फॉर्मिंग द प्रोडक्ट दैट इज अ आयरन सल्फेट. ओके, two observations we see here. First is the color of the solution from blue to green. कलर क्या हो जाता है? ब्लू से ग्रीन में चेंज हो जाता है. एंड द कलर ऑफ द आयरन नेल इट इज द चेंजेस इन टू द ब्राउन इन कलर, विच इज चेंजेस इन ब्राउन इन कलर. ओके, नाउ हियर वी हैव टू स्टॉप. इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेरीज और एनी प्रॉब्लम, सो आस्क मी ऑन माई पर्सनल नंबर. And here we stop. In next class we will discussing the uses for the metals and non-metals.